Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Sold Group powered by eXp Realty. Today, we are in Phoenix, Arizona. Today, we're at 18224 North 23rd Avenue in Phoenix, Arizona. Now, before we take a look at this beautiful single-story home, let's go check out the location. All right, let's go over the location of this because you already know that the home is going to be super awesome. The location on this one, we are at roughly Union Hills and 23rd Avenue. So as far as where everything is located, Costco is less than 2 miles. You've got Target, you got movie theaters, Chick-fil-A, In-N-Out. They're all within 10 minutes. You need to head down to the airport. You're within about 20 minutes to the Phoenix Sky Harbor. We are at Deer Valley Park. This is about a mile and a half from the home. Large park over here. It has a water park. It has baseball fields, playgrounds, as well as a dog park. Absolutely great location. It's the biggest park around here, conveniently located close to the home. So if like this massive yard that you're getting on this home is not big enough, you get a park right around the corner. We are back at the home. Now, before we go inside, let's take a look at the outside. We have not only one RV gate, but we have 2 RV gates. Going over the outside specs on this one, the lot is just under 10,000 square feet. And like you noticed, 2 RV gates, one on each side of the house, plenty of room for the RVs. As you'll see from the drone photos on this one, there is an RV parked on each side of the property. You can fit multiple RVs behind the fence line for added security, and it's a corner lot. Let's go over the details on this home. It is a single story with a 2-car carport, enough slab parking for an additional 6 vehicles. There are 2 sheds on the outside. One is where the laundry room is. The other one would make a perfect little workshop. Now for the inside of the home, we have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room, a dining/great room, as well as an open kitchen. And it's all been remodeled within the last few years. Some high ticket items that I'd like to tell you about on this one is that the roof has been replaced within the last 3 years, as well as the windows are brand new, and we have solar for added energy efficiency. This house is ready to go. It is flat out move-in ready. If you'd like to schedule a showing, I make it super simple. You can call 480-305-6688 or go to our website, gosoldhomes.com. Until next time, bye.